right. Ooh, they got decimals here. This is going to be tough. How far away is 4.2 away from 0? You may need your calculator. 4.2. Oh, good. Someone had their calculator. Excellent. How far away is negative 6.1? Okay. Isn't this fun to start a new chapter? All the, even fractions. How far is negative 3/4 away from 0? 3/4. I have a feeling I'm not going to get very many views on this video later. And negative 1/2. Oh, 1/2. No problem. Now, ordering the numbers from least to greatest on a number line. With the negatives in there, you'd have to worry about positives and negatives. On the number line here, I'm going to put 0 on the left side because I won't have any of these numbers be negative. My biggest one is 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 5, 4, 2, 1. And I'm going to write them as they originally appeared. So 4.2, that's where the absolute value of 4.2 would be. Negative 6.1, that's where the absolute value of negative 6.1 would be. Negative 3/4, that's where the absolute value of negative 3/4 would be. And this is where the absolute value of negative 1/2 would be. Because every time you do the absolute value, the answer that comes out is always going to be a positive number. Some fancy note, if we wanted to use fancy notation, we could say the absolute value of A is greater than or equal to 0. Does that make sense? Because it's always going to be positive. It could be 0 if A were 0. And this works for every number, right? And so since it works for every number, I can use this fancy notation afterwards saying that A could be any number. And so this is a mathematical statement that is always true. Okay, questions we can do with absolute values are 3, 4, 7, and 9 so far. And we will go on to example number 2.